Calvin Johnson will be studying Bayer Process Engineering. Giovanni Lindo, Mining Engineering. Anita will be studying Bayer Process Engineering. Shanna K. Dennis will be studying Process Control Systems.
For 25 students, today marks a new beginning. 13 from Windalco and operational areas, and 12 from Alpart's host communities. This international scholarship is the second of its kind for Windalco and the first for Alpart. In 2011, Windalco sent 5 students to study at the People's Friendship University in Russia. Those students will return next year.
One of the first items we discussed when I met with the team from Russell, and we met with the chairman, president, we met with the CEO, was firstly to acknowledge the tremendous contribution of the 5 scholarships per year, but I wasn't satisfied. And I put on the table the expansion of the scholarship program. And they said, Minister, what do you want? I said, 25. And they said, yes, without hesitation, without hesitation.
I'm happy and very proud to be here because, as you know, Russia, since many years, since decades of years, supports Jamaica by offering the scholarships from the Russian government, and since some years from our Russian companies working here in Jamaica. This time, you are 25. 25 coming additionally to more than 50 Jamaican students studying currently in our country.
The total value of this year's scholarship program is projected to exceed $140,000 US each year for 5 to 6 years. That's approximately $840,000 US over the 5 to 6 years. Or translated to Jamaican dollars, 100,800,000 Jamaican dollars. Not only has each student been awarded a fully maintained scholarship, but they are guaranteed a job at the end of their period of study once the plans remain open. Each scholarship also covers visa costs, airfares, and is tenable for 5 to 6 years, the first of which is dedicated to learning the Russian language. During those years, the scholarship also covers tuition and boarding costs, which includes meals. In addition, each recipient will be provided with a monthly stipend and will benefit from an internship program at a Russell facility in Russia. You'll also receive their stipend during holiday breaks.
There can be no greater contribution to our people than their own personal self-development. And in this world where competition is at the heart of everything, and where we have to ensure that we produce the best at whatever we do, we therefore have to ensure that our people are exposed. And when I looked at the programs that they offer at the various universities, I believe it's a great place for Jamaican people to go and study. So I want to say to you who are going off that I wish you well. When you go and you achieve, you will justify the insistent argument that we put for the expansion of the program, and it will enable others to follow thereafter, because it's a scholarship 25 per annum, valued at 100 million Jamaican dollars. So it's not cheap, and you therefore have to go and work hard and come back prepared to work in this bauxite alumina industry. Your jobs are being secured.
After some years in Russia, you will come back. You will come back to this country, beautiful country Jamaica, and you will contribute to prosperity of this country. You will create new jobs. You will create new products. You will bring Jamaica to the new heights of prosperity, of happiness, and it is from our side, from the Russian government and you see Rusal, a direct contribution, direct assistance to a country, to Jamaica, to beautiful Jamaica, with which we have, this year we have celebrated it, 40 years since the establishing of our relationship.